Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide archived chats on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide archived chats on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening your Telegram app, guys, you can see the archived chats available for us at the top of the screen over here. Now in order to hide these archived chats, you'll be required to tap and hold on the archived chats for a moment. And you can see, guys, at the bottom of the screen the option appears where it says the hide from the chat list. Now tap on the hide from the chat list, and with that being done, guys, your archived chats will be hidden on Telegram like this. Guys, over here you can see there is no archived chat currently. Now in order to view your archived chats, just drag down the chat over here like this, tap and scroll down, and your archive chats will be available. Again, if you do this, that archive chat will be hidden, but in order to view it, scroll down a little bit on this chat section or the inbox section of Telegram, and it will be available for you like this. And with that being done, guys, this is how to hide archive chats on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.